I'm so excited, Mike. I'm so excited. Alrighty, time to check out one of the rears. These are gonna be massive. Look how, oh! When you have a friend with a pickup truck, sometimes they're needed. Steven to the rescue with the Raptor because we have to move some things. We are back in Arizona with the Z06 and we have some very exciting things going on the car. Right back here in Mike's garage, there are 4 square boxes, and within these square boxes, we have some round things. We've got new wheels, you see, Vossen, that's upside down, but we've got our new Vossen wheels ready to go on the Z06. It's wet and rainy today, and obviously these won't even remotely fit in the Z06 or the M3 or the M5 or the A12, so Steven to the rescue with the Raptor, doing truck things. We're gonna drop them off at Echelon Autosports. So the stock wheels definitely look awesome on a Z06. I love how this spec turned out, but it's gonna be even cooler. I am so excited to get the Vossens on the car. They're shockingly light for how big they are. This box is huge. This is a 21 by 13 inch wide wheel with 345 section tires on it, but fully forged aluminum wheels. So we're gonna go drop off the wheels. They're gonna get ceramic coated. The tires should already be there. Ordered a set of PS4S off tire rack. Those will be there. We've got the TPMS in the vehicle too, waiting for that. So everything will get put together. Hopefully in the next 2 days, we'll get them swapped onto the car, and we have a lot of exciting content coming with the new Vossen wheels. I'm actually really excited for this. We have arrived at Echelon. I've never been inside. I've been outside as we were meeting up prior to going out to events. Those are 2 of my tires there. I've got a 1016 Industries kit going on something. And time to unload the Vossens. Check out that 600 LT. That is quite an insane body kit on that 997 turbo next to it. But here we go, the Vossens. I'm gonna open up. I wanna check them out, see what they look like. And then here are some of the tires. These are, I believe, the fronts. PS4S, much more tread than the Cup 2R. So these are much more friendly for all-around use on the street compared to the Cup 2Rs, which are literally just track slicks. So these are 275s up front. The rears are 345s to match those gigantic 13-inch wheels. Don't enter. Oh. I hope I opened them the right side up and not upside down.
Oh, there's another layer.
Packaging. Oh, I gotta put the scissors back together. Snip. Okay, first glimpse. Oh, Vossen forged S21s. Oh, dude, look at those.
That's sick.
In light smoke finish, the transparent finish. These are gonna look amazing. Oh, that's awesome. And those are the fronts. Look how deep those are. I'm gonna open one of the rears to take a look at that too. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Stay clear. I am a hazard. That didn't work. Don't try this at home. These are gonna be massive. Look how, oh.
Wow. Deep
21
dish.
inch, yeah.
Chicago deep dish.
Yeah, they've got the lightning pockets around back. This is such a cool design. I think that's gonna look awesome on the car. It's gonna match the Rapid Blue really well with all the blacked out accents and carbon fiber. Okay, so these are gonna get ceramic coated, put together. I have the TPMS, and apparently for the Z06, TPMS actually required a separate part. So here's the sensors, but then there's these little like lock nut things that need to go on too to kind of seal it properly. So to order those, GM genuine parts, found them off some Chevy parts website. Those will get put together, and when we come back again, it'll be time to swap onto the Z06. All right, the Z06 has been sitting here for a week, ready for a 1 week cold start. Look who decided to come back from thermal. Hi, Cody.
What's up?
You didn't want to stay there, be a race car driver?
No, I did.
You did?
Yeah, I'm back at work.
You had to come back to reality.
Yeah, I had to come back here.
The wheels went off with the tires. They got mounted and balanced. They're gonna come back. I think, are they ceramic coated already?
Yes.
They are ceramic coated. So
Yep.
we're gonna see them in a moment. And then tomorrow, hopefully the plan is to swap them onto the car. And then we've got video shoot and photo shoots lined up for the rest of the week. I can't wait to see them on the tires because saw them in a box briefly, but
Yeah.
they're gonna be pretty. Have
I
you seen them
didn't-
yet?
I didn't even get to see them
Oh,
in
you
the
haven't
box.
seen them yet? All right,
I haven't
cool.
seen them
We got
yet.
Cody's first time seeing the new Vossens.
Yep.
The last time I was here with the Z06, Cody was distracted by the LFA he was driving, so he didn't even pay attention to my car. But now, there's no LFA here, so
No, it's in the other lot.
Oh, it's in the other lot. Okay, so now you can actually look at the Z06. Wait, come back here. The startup on this thing is just the best.
Yeah, that sounds good.
That's a stock exhaust. It's pretty epic.
The stock wheels a lot.
Me too. A lot of people have been saying they like them. I'm a fan of it. It's just the Vossens will be a little bit more aggressive, change up the style. And obviously, I'm keeping these wheels, and I'm keeping the Cup 2Rs on here. Which, yeah, dude.
Put those to use.
I'm going to. I want to go to Apex with this because those are track. They suck.
Dark blue on light blue.
Yes, it's not black. It's actually a dark blue with a light blue contrast. First glimpse. Oh yeah. Mounted on PS4S tires. Okay, those are awesome. All right, the time has arrived. We are back at Echelon Autosports. Z06 just got the details nice and clean. We've got the wheels mounted, ceramic coated with the new PS4S. We've got the Vossen center caps, the lug nuts. Look at the orange elephant in the background too. That's Cody's daily driver. But anyways, the wheels are about to go on and then we're off to film with Washington Media, which I am super excited for. But first the car's gonna come in and time for the new wheels. Holy Rolls-Royce Ghost. Matte black. And there's a Gulfstream over there too. And there's a Mike Coolish. Yes! Not only will I have cool Vossen wheels, I'll have tires that work when it rains. That's an important thing.
Yeah, these are straight up drag radials, basically.
Grab the lock for... And I'm gonna make sure the tire pressure. So we've got the Vossen lug nuts here, but look at these. These are the center caps.
Damn.
Billet center caps. The finish matches the light smoke, the red Vossen logo. These are gonna look so cool on the car. Got the that's the wheel lock thingamajig. Taking the stocks off.
Do you tell everybody that I can crush those with my hand
Yeah,
strength?
Mikey thinks he can bend a billet aluminum center cap with his hands.
Oh damn, look at that.
M14 by 1.5. There we go.
The wheels look so insane though with
Nice little touch.
Oh, that'll be cool actually.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah. Alrighty. So, got these. Let me check the torque specs. Oh, the first one is sitting on the car. That looks so epic. Holy crap. Go ahead, go ahead.
Sorry.
Don't let me get in your way. I'm just an idiot with a camera. It was a little stressful deciding which wheels. It's always stressful for me because it's such a big decision. The right wheels can make or break a car. And the factory wheels, actually, I love the way they look. The finish, the design, it's really good for the non-carbon wheels. So that's gonna be a big change. They're still factory sizes. So 20-inch up front, 21 in the back. They're 21 by 13. Massive with the 345s. That's like 1/5 as tall as you are, Cody. That's gonna look good. That's gonna look so good. Those have just under 1,000 miles on them, and that's how much tread is on them. From the factory, I mean, they're already pretty bold. Cup 2Rs. Yeah, I'm gonna keep those. We are gonna try to track the car. Cody's gonna bring me to thermal, right?
Yes,
We're gonna do something, either that or Apex out here in Arizona, because this is a track car. It's gonna get some track time. Look what happened to this wheel. Guy hit a pothole. That's an ungodly pothole. That poor wheel is no longer round. We've got all 4 center caps here. The fronts are on. This is a nice way to compare the difference. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so epic. I am so excited. Actually plays off the brake caliper colors pretty well. This brushed finish looks so amazing. I'm so excited, Mike. I'm so excited.
What I'm just looking at is like the stark difference between the two, like the front and the back. It's insane. It transforms the car.
Yeah.
And I definitely think a lighter color was the way to do it too.
Yep. Oh yeah. And now I have the options, right? If I want to run the darker wheels, I can swap them off when I go to the track. That's amazing. S21s. Looking at these tires, you understand why this car is sketchy in the rain. Also, it picks up every single pebble because they're that sticky. Cup 2Rs, and those are enormous. No wonder they're so expensive. See the difference? PS4S, Cup 2Rs. First look, all 4 wheels on, car is on the ground. That's nice. Wanna put these in?
Yep.
You didn't line it up with the logo though.
Oh, the Vossen logo?
Yeah, so like.
Oh, good point.
Like right where it says
That's
Vossen
the
right there?
Vossen one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point.
If they don't slide in,
You have a mallet? They're not going in. No. Oh, look, all right, you do this. You probably have more experience. I am not qualified for this. It's like, don't hit your thumb, but also you gotta hit the center cap. Oh, look at that.
The wheels are so concave. It makes it like...
You need a weirdly shaped mallet for this.
Okay, we got one.
Yep. Sounds like it's seating. All right, we are out filming. We've got Watch This Media in the van in front of us. And just like that, we have hit 1,000 miles on the Z06. That's a little bit of a milestone. I've only had it for like a month. 1,000 miles of enjoyment, many, many more. Well, we just got back from filming some pretty epic rollers with Brandon. I cannot wait to see how those look. The car is so cool. I'm so excited. Now we are parked in front of a aircraft hangar where there was a Gulfstream here earlier today. That's gone now. So we're gonna get some more stationary shots as the sun is setting here in Arizona. There was some stress leading up to getting everything lined up. There's so many moving parts, the tires, the wheels, timing for filming, location, getting the car clean, various other things. So a lot of stress, but it's turning into just straight excitement and starting to relax. The adrenaline is starting to fade a little bit, but the car looks so good. The Vossens are just absolutely amazing. The finish, the design, the fitment, all of it. Difference from the stock wheels. I knew I was going to do this at some point too. That was also a factor in not ordering the carbon fiber wheels, because I was thinking I would run a really cool set of aftermarket wheels again with more friendly day-to-day tires, Michelin PS4S. I've done that on the R8, right? The stock R8 wheels right now are on the car. Those have winter tires on them, Soto Zeros, and then the aftermarket wheels have summer tires on them, PS4S. Shelby's the same way. The Cup 2s are still sitting on the carbon fiber wheels, and then I've got the aftermarket wheels on a set of PS4S. First time ever with some Vossens on my car. Been a huge fan of the brand for years, like their videos, all of it. The cars, the wheels, the design. It's pretty surreal to have them on one of my cars and a Z06. I'm a Corvette owner. That's not a sentence I ever thought I was gonna say. And here we have a Brandon from Watch This Media.
What's up?
All the way from Seattle.
Yeah, a bit of a trek.
A bit of a trek. You're now watching the B-roll of the B-roll of the B-roll. We've got 3 layers of videography happening right now. I had to go around in like 5 circles to try to get the center cap lined up for that puddle shot. I have my 7 p.m. coffee, pulled the car inside Echelon, check out that lighting. 570S, the Z06, and some sort of orange Toyota thing over there. Subaru? But it's got an L on it. Is it L for loser? Is that why you drive it, Cody?
You're haters, is what you are.
No, that LFA is sick on those Brixton forged wheels. Got the wing up. These two look pretty cool next to each other, although you could buy like 4 Z06s for the price of an LFA. Finishing up the shoot. Satisfied, Brandon? Gonna be good? I can't wait to see this. This is gonna be so epic. And the wheels just look so good.
These wheels are perfect.
I am obsessed. The light smoke finish, fully forged wheels, and the offset is a little bit more aggressive, still running factory tire sizes.
It does look really good. I'm not gonna lie.
That's the nicest thing Cody has ever said to me.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm talking about the car, not you.
Okay, good clarification. Very good clarification.
Yeah.
Do you match your shoes to the car you're driving at all times?
Not all times, but usually when you're in a cool car, you try.
Yeah,
to
you
look good,
gotta.
know?
I gotta get myself New Balance, like white New Balance. That's my next.
I have a pair of New Balances to match my vet.
Oh, we're Corvette owners. We're Corvette bros now.
Corvette guys.
Hell yeah. New Balance and jean shorts.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for the help. That's freaking awesome, dude.
Absolutely.
Rollers
Thanks for everything,
were
man.
awesome. No. Yeah, okay, sorry, Cody.
Yeah. Okay.
And with that, we're heading off to dinner, and we'll pick this back up tomorrow. E12 cold start. My turn. It is a very cold for Scottsdale. It's 35 degrees out, 7 a.m. morning. The first day of Barrett Jackson, and we are heading off in the Z06 and the 812 GTS with Dr. K to Driven Project. It's like a supercar experience for kids battling illnesses. It's gonna be a pretty exciting day. I'm looking forward to that. We're gonna take the Z06 on the new Vossens, the 812, we're gonna warm the cars up and head out. We get to be VIPs today. We have arrived. Dr. K parking the 812 GTS. Early morning light on the Vossens. I love how the finish matches the blue. There we go. An F8. That looks pretty awesome. An SVJ. Finish in a gorgeous shade of blue. And then some sort of orange Toyota thing. Like somebody brought, I mean, I think it looks kind of like a Subaru orange. I think it's a Toyota. It's got
Toyota. Is that a Toyota?
Good morning, Cody.
Good morning, Eddie. Toyota.
LFA, legendary car. My car by far has the lowest MSRP by like a couple $100,000. Like, but look, it fits in. That's kudos to the Corvette team in the Z06. It kind of fits in with cars worth 3 times as much. And the wheels look pretty awesome. Got some stickers to put on, little VIP thing. We're actually gonna be going across the auction block here at Barrett Jackson, which is pretty cool. Again, not selling the car, it's just part of the whole experience, but that'll be pretty cool for pictures. Look, another V12. There are more V12s here. wait, 1 V12, 2 V12s, some sort of V10, V12. And Cody, where are you missing 2 cylinders? I mean, like,
You're missing 2 cylinders.
V12, first time seeing one of those in person, I think. Very limited run. I think it may be the last of the V12 Vantages. That's a pretty cool livery on this one. It's an aggressive aero pack too. These are cool. 5th try is a charm, Cody. 5th try is a charm. You're gonna hate me by the end of today.
You hated it before, Eddie.
Oh! Way too cold for airs. I'm wearing a scarf because it's that cold. Woke up, it was 35 degrees. At least it's not raining, which I'm happy about because Monday there was a monsoon. And also I'm happy that I'm running PS4S tires now instead of the Cup 2Rs. Cup 2Rs in this cold would not be good. Not be good at all. It fits in though. Junior, you ready? Let's go, hop in. Yep. There's only 2 seats, so. All right, about to head out. We're gonna go on a police escorted drive, and then there you go. And then grab your seatbelt. Right here is a blue seatbelt. Reach over, yep. And then buckle that in. I'll hop on the driver's side.
Never done this before.
You've never done this before?
No.
All right, it's always a good time to start. Can you see over it? Barely?
Have fun, buddy.
Okay.
We have Junior in the car with us. It's your first time in a Corvette, right? Yeah? And a Z06. We're about to go out, do the police escorted drive, and then we're going across the auction block. Be a little photo opportunity, and then we're gonna come back. Should be pretty awesome. You don't want to be there, you do want it. You do, here we go. Junior, we're back. How was that? Fun?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Junior, we are on stage at Barrett Jackson. And you're gonna hop out in a second. You're next. This is pretty cool. All right, back at Mike's garage, parked the cars away. So Barrett Jackson had some pretty cool cars on display. That Nardo Gray F40 was there. They had a really cool repainted Carrera GT. A lot of Ford GTs, a couple SLRs. So a lot of newer cars, obviously a bunch of older cars too, which I don't know as much about. So we're gonna wrap up this video. Main focus is the new wheels, but so much happened this week. It's always a fun time in Scottsdale, especially when there's so many friends around and then some cool car stuff. So I have a couple more pieces of content planned with the Corvette, but let's take one more look at these new Vossen wheels. They look amazing. The TPMS has figured out, it kind of relearned itself. I don't know if I told the whole story of that, but it's all working again. And with that, see you guys next video.